Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Make sure you go hit that like button before we even get started, man. Go hit the subscribe. You already know what we're on this year. I know you guys see the intro. The intro is bubba banging, bro. Like there's no better intro. Show me a car YouTuber with a better intro than me. Right? Because honestly, I think for the past couple of years I've been killing the intros, yeah. This year, this is the videos I'm having. Like, I'm barely gonna be editing one take videos, so you're gonna see the real me, because that's what people were commenting, saying that, oh, they don't like the textbook installation or how-to guys, that they want to see more of me. Because there was a graffiti vlog video that I'd done a couple months back to a year back with M4 Joker, Kumris, and obviously JD and Morgan Man, but that done very well. So if you're into more car videos, make sure you go hit that subscribe button, go hit that like button. We are gonna be, there we go, that's the that's the focus, isn't it? I'm gonna keep this video nice, short and sweet, nothing too crazy. Obviously by the feedback that I get from this video will determine if I make a next video with this camera. But obviously if I get bare dislikes, then obviously I'm not going to be uploading with this camera. I'm going to be using my iPhone. I'm going to get my iPhone fixed and then keep it like that. But yeah, I think that's it. Normally when I don't have a script and when I record for YouTube, I normally just ramble. Not car rambles, get it? Fierce a joke. I don't want to bore you guys, but you guys will be getting similar style videos of me and the vlogging and the quality and all of this bullshit. But yeah, to be honest, I don't really like the Fiesta community, you know. Like I just don't like them.